Alright, we're headed over to Calvin and Hobbes. I'm going to see if we can find some gnarly chutes. Wow. Holy. The way the bombs just echo through the valley. It's actually quite scary. So guys, I'm on my own, and obviously this is a very cliffy area, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my very reliable, very awesome mapping system here. So it's called Ullr Maps, ULLR Maps. I highly recommend it if you come in a Whistler and you want to ski gnarly stuff. But just get it out, take my glove off, because I know Calvin and Hobbes it's infested with cliffs. So just wait for it to load. So this is my location at the moment. So I want to go ski is right below this cliff here, and then sort of hit right again into Hobbes. So if I follow this traverse, I'll end up at bad attitude, which I've been told isn't actually that good. So I'll probably just hit Calvin Hobbes. Righto. But yeah, it's a really great mapping tool because it tells you exactly where your location is, and you can see very clearly where to go, where not to go. Righto. So we sort of take the lower route down here. I'm going to cut underneath this rock. Here we are, welcome to Hobbes. Look at this, look how chunky this snow is. But yeah, this little area here is called Hobbes. Yo! Super fun little spot. Oh, oh yeah. Man. Oh yeah, that's the shit. Got a bit of a chute here. Oh. Yo. All right. Steep little bit there. Oh wow, look at that chute. Holy. So much fun lines through here. It's honestly like a playground.